Hey, Troy here. Thanks so much for plugging into this video. I'm going to ask you to give me your full undivided attention just for the next few minutes as I do this mini Save Club review. And more importantly, I'm going to share two questions that you should ask of yourselves and be able to answer them before you make a decision to join Save Club or really any business opportunity that is similarly operated. So if this video makes sense, you get some value from it, you understand what I'm getting at, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you one system, one strategy that I use that you can use for free once you join Save Club to be able to promote it and get a lot of action. So the page that you're looking at right now, this is my website page for Save Club. And yes, there are over 1 million different savings opportunities for you as a member. There are currently 850,000 hotels. There's currently 50,000 restaurants and 150,000 retail stores that you could purchase from. This is a global opportunity, right? I mean, we're talking about 150 countries having access to this. But here's the truth, and this is the first question. Does the product really work? So you could have the best compensation plan in the world. You can have the ability to earn the highest commissions. But if the product does not work, especially when it is a matrix style opportunity, a matrix compensation plan, if the product doesn't work, here's what's going to happen. For the first 6 weeks, 8 weeks, all of your heavy hitting marketers, multiple 6 and 7-figure income earners, are going to make a bunch of money, and then the company is going to fizzle out, right? I'm sure you've seen this happen in the past. I know I have. Okay, so let's have a little bit of fun. It's May 2025. You come across this company, you find out that you have the ability to earn as much as $10,000 a week. What is the product that you're selling? You're selling Jerry Curls. Jerry Curl juice, Jerry Curl activator, mess up grandma's couches. Do you realistically think, as wonderful as this man's mane is, do you really think that that is going to be able to sell in May of 2025, giving you the ability to earn a ridiculous amount of money? Yes or no? So this is the reason why I'm only laughing, because I have an uncle, my mom's older brother, and a cousin that rocked Jerry Curls forever back in the 80s, and I found it to be hysterical then, and it's still funny to me now. All right. So does the product for Safe Club work? So Mother's Day is 6 days away. Mother's Day 2025. Here is the checkout page for one of the Save Club products. Rose Farmers. These are 24 long stem roses. The membership price is $20, $19.99. Right? 24 long stem roses, and this is for Save Club members. Now, come over here. Look at this. Right? You see the original price here. We all know when it comes to Mother's Day, most flower shops, most florists jack up the prices because they know that is their #1 best-selling day of the year for selling flowers. Now, what is the member discount? They're giving you a discount of $105, right? $105 discount, and this person is only paying $40. $40, saving $105, and they're getting 2 dozen, right? Look at the quantity, 2 dozen. So, does the product work? Absolutely, right? And that's just one product that you have. The second question that you want to ask yourself is, do you think you can make money? Do you think you can make money? If someone had a choice of paying full price, price A, or getting a discount where just because they're a Save Club member, they're going to end up saving $105, choice B, which one do you think people are going to choose if you ask 10 people the same question, right? So, does the product work? And second, do you think that you can make money? All right, so right now, at the time of me shooting this video, Save Club is in pre-launch, right? So their official launch is going to be June 1st. However, if you reserve your spot now and you lock in your spot, this is a $20 a month membership, right? I would spend $20 a month if I'm able to save $105 off of just one product. There's currently in the platform 850,000 hotels, 50,000 restaurants, 150,000 retail spots, and you have the ability to earn. You get paid every Friday. Look, I'm just entering my second week. Save Club is brand new. It's only been around for roughly about a week and a half, and in the first 6 days that I joined, I had 4 personal people join with me, right? Upgrade, because everybody starts out reserving a free spot through the power line. But I had 4 people personally upgrade. So they upgraded, and this past Friday, I end up getting paid. And it wasn't much, but it was close to like $80. So that was just from the fast start bonuses that are paid out weekly. We haven't even started getting paid yet, which will be this Friday, on the commissions that you can earn from the team growth in several different ways that you can make money with this program. So, do you think that you can make money? Well, from a $20 membership, getting paid $80 in the first 6 days, and if I was the individual member that saved $105 on the flowers, do you think that this is a win-win opportunity? Yes or no? So, one last thing I'm going to point out, and that's how I'm promoting it and how you should as well. So, my recommendation is this. In my opinion, this is extremely time sensitive. For those people that understand how a power line works, the individuals that join the power line and upgrade are placed on top of those individuals that come in before them and after them that do not upgrade. You'll understand that more when you watch the video inside, which I'm getting ready to share with you in the next minute. But timing is everything. And the reason you're looking at this page right now, this is a free digital business card. I've been using this thing for a couple of months. I absolutely love it. And what it allows you to do is it allows you to brand yourself and promote yourself on a professional level and make people want to learn more about you develop a better relationship with you, and most importantly, take a look at whatever it is that you're promoting. So here's why I recommend creating your free account, which literally takes about 1.5 to 2 minutes. What do you think is going to happen with Save Club, knowing that it's the hottest opportunity online right now? What do you think is going to happen in the next 2 to 3 months when there are 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 people promoting it, right? If everybody is using the same replicated websites from the company, you're not standing out. Basically, you're just another number in the crowd. So you've got to become a promoter that understands you need to set yourself aside from everyone else and not do what everyone else is doing. So whenever I get people on social media, they send me a friend request. They ask me, do I keep my options open? They ask me more information about what it is that I do. I share my digital business card with them, again, making sure that I get their permission. And, I may say, hey, look, I don't really talk business on Facebook. I appreciate you extending the offer to take a look at your company. Would you mind if I give you a site where you can get direct access to me and send me what you've got? See, that is a very secretive way of promoting yourself, your businesses. Your contact information is here, and most people don't even know that this platform exists. It's known as Cardly, and it's brand new. So when people land on this digital business card, first thing they see is my Start Here video. I'm branded as a business strategy consultant expert, and I'm telling people, click the Start Here video. So they come down here, they click on this video. By the way, these buttons are customizable and optional. So you could switch them up however it is that you want. But I want to start that rapport thing. I want to start that relationship thing. So when they come down here, what am I talking to them about? I'm talking to them about myself creating their own free digital business card. If they're interested in learning how to make several hundreds of dollars or more per day, click the instant cash system button here. And I haven't even done an upgraded video for Save Club yet, but I included a link here. So here's a button, Save and Earn, Join Free. So I've got these opportunities in here. I've got my contact information in here, and this is how I would be promoting Save Club, right? You are the business. Whatever it is that you're promoting is just a tool. And I'm being as transparent and as honest as I possibly can be with you. So if you want to create your own free digital business card, or if you want to take the Save Club free tour and pre-enroll for free, go to my YouTube channel. From my YouTube channel, look for the links for either Cardly, right, which you will also be able to access my Save Club information and take the tour here, right? Which I recommend. Also, if you go to my Cardly, you can see from my video exactly how I'm promoting this and how you can promote any business that you're currently involved in or wish to get involved in. So go to my YouTube channel, click on the Cardly link to get access to everything. If you only want to get access to Save Club and take the free tour, then from my YouTube channel, look for the Save Club link. Pre-enroll, it's free. And with that being said, if you got some value from this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't overcomplicate things. Just, take a leap of faith. And with that being said, I hope you have an amazing day. Once again, I'm Troy. Take care.